Hello students, next presentation regarding refrigeration and air conditioning. Firstly, we have to be seen the all over concept and difference between refrigeration and air conditioning. These are the refrigeration purpose different contents. First one is we have to be see in introduction principle of refrigeration, refrigerants and its properties, next unit of refrigeration, next coefficient of performance, next point is vapor compression refrigeration, we can also call in short VCR, then next vapor absorption refrigeration, we can say in short VAR, and last one is that is the applications of refrigerations. Refrigerator is a device or system used to maintain the low temperature below the atmosphere temperature within required space. And what is the refrigeration means? The method of reducing temperature of a system below surrounding temperature and maintain it a low temperature continuously, abstracting the heat from it. In refrigeration, the apparatus supplies thermal energy from one place to another place of higher temperature, whereas in air conditioning, the thermal energy is taken from the air in order to cool the air. Naturally, the thermal energy can be seen flowing from a higher temperature bearing place to a lower temperature bearing place. The use of heat pump and refrigerator applications can be seen in all these types of the appliances. This is the basic principle of refrigeration. How does it is work? The main criteria of refrigerator is it is converted to high temperature into low temperature, and that high temperature reservoir is going to be applied. Then by using this refrigeration, the heat is going to be absorbed or heat is going to be rejected, and for the applying work input, finally that high temperature reservoir is converted into low temperature reservoir. Refrigerant is a heat carrying medium which absorbs heat from space and rejects heat to outside the refrigerator. And number of properties available here: good thermal conductivity for rapid heat transfer, this is first property. Second one is non toxic or non flammable, non corrosive. Next property is high coefficient of performance. Next, high latent heat of evaporations. Next, low initial and maintained cost. So this is the all over properties regarding refrigerators. Coefficient of performance. It is defined as the ratio of heat extracted in a given time, that is refrigerating effect, to the work input, that is the coefficient of performance is equal to refrigeration effect divided by input compressor work. So this is the formula. The COP is reciprocal of the efficiency of a heat engine. So that is most important point. An AC has an indoor and outdoor unit connected with a pipe. The air is heated, compressed, condensed, and then liquefies. Then the liquid has evaporates and is cooled with the help of condenser to give the cooled air which we have to be experienced. Next, vapor compression refrigeration is, that is the vapor refrigeration system most popular and widely used in refrigeration and air conditioning for both domestic and industrial applications. Main parts of VCR is, first one is compressor, second condenser, third expansion valve, fourth evaporator. This is the basic main and important parts of VCR. Next, this is the vapor compression refrigeration circuit diagram. At the upper side, the condenser is available, and lower side, that is the evaporator is available. Whenever the signal sending to all over condenser through up to evaporated, then it is going to be combined at the compression level, and both are going to be compressed, and this compressed area is applied to the all over system. Suppose evaporator, that is the input side, is applied to the, then it is going to be compressed. Again it is second step we have to be condensate. At the third step we have to be expansional device is utilized there. Then finally it is again evaporated, and whenever it is, its temperature is going to be down level, it is going to be output level, we have to be getting the high temperature into low temperature. Vapor absorption refrigeration system is, in VAR system, compressor is replaced by absorber and generator. So that is ammonia is sustainable refrigerant for VAR system. The main parts of the vapor absorption system is evaporator, condenser, generator, absorber, pump and extension devices. So these are the main parts of VAR. Vapor absorption refrigeration system is worked by using following diagram, that is the whenever applied the input system, at that time the evaporator system is going to be applied, then it is going to be at the absorption capacity for the temperature absorbing, then it is apply again for the vapor generation, again it is applied to the all over vapor conditions, and finally liquid is going to be available, and finally we have to be getting high temperature is converted into low temperature. So applications of this particular refrigeration is storage and transportation of food, second preservation of medicine, third manufacturing of ice and rubber, fourth processing of petroleum, fifth that is the liquefaction of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, etc. Six, that is the cooling of water, and last one application is that is the comfort air conditioning of wide area. So these are the applications. These are all part regarding refrigeration. Now we have to be getting the all over point regarding air conditioning. So in that particular air conditioning, the index or contents is introduction, principle of air conditioning systems, classification of air conditioning, window air conditioner and split air conditioner. Introduction. Air conditioning is not a process of only heating or cooling to some desired temperature. Air condition is includes with follow process. First one is cooling or heating air. Second one is addition of moisture in air or removal of moisture from air. Next, that is the purification of air. Next, addition of fresh air from outside, and last one is this is the distribution of air. These are the all over quality mechanism refrigeration. Then what is this mechanical refrigeration system? That is the, in particular we have to be seen in refrigeration system. In that particular refrigeration is mechanical refrigeration is defined as the process in which heat is removed from location with the help of the man-made heat exchange system. This system could be either cyclic or non-cyclic, thermoelectric or magnetic, and this is dependent on the applications of the refrigeration. Then all our principle of air conditioning is, in air conditioning system the device or unit provides a air conditioning is called as air conditioner. This device continuously draws air from the indoor space which is required to cool. It cools in refrigeration system and discharge back into the same indoor space. So this continuous cyclic process of drawing, cooling and recirculations of the cool Air maintain indoor space. Air conditioning system is all over. Air cooled system is a refrigeration system that is used outdoors and is related to its surrounding ambient temperature, while the water cooled system is a refrigeration system that is used in indoors. There are 10 to 15% more efficient than air cooled system. So all our system is regarding air cooled system. Then what is the difference between air cooling and refrigeration? Cooling is the defined as the process of bringing down the temperature of the body to a temperature which is lower than the surrounding, whereas refrigeration is the process in which the temperature of the body is brought down to the temperature which lower than its surrounding, and this temperature is maintained throughout. Classification of air conditioning system is, there are basically three main types. First one is according to arrangement of equipment, that is unitary system and central system. Second one is according to the purpose, there is comfort air conditioning system and industrial air conditioning system. And third one is according to season of year, so that is winter air conditioning system and summer air conditioning systems. Types of air conditioning have, there is window air conditioning system. To install one of these units you need the space to make a slot in the wall, and there should not also be some open space behind the wall. When the summer heat dies down, these units can be easily removed for storage, and you can use the window sill for other purposes. Split air conditioning system. The split air conditioner comprises of two parts, the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. The outdoor unit is fitted outside the room, houses components like the compressor, condenser and expansion wall. The indoor unit comprises the evaporated or cooling coil and the cooling fan. For this unit, you don't have to make any slot in the wall of the room. And third one is, further, the present day splits units have aesthetic looks and add to the beauty of the room. The split air conditioner can be used to cool one or two rooms. This is the all over air cooler system. Air conditioner system is all our installations and basically all our pictures of that. You have to be seen that. Then what are the stages of refrigeration is, it involves the evaporated coil. Second one is involves a compressor. Third one is involves a condenser coil, and last one is involves an expansion chamber. So what are the types of refrigeration? There are two types of refrigeration, and they are natural cooling and artificial cooling. This is the refrigerations and AC introduction. How does it is work? High temperature reservoirs is converted into low temperature reservoir, that is by using heat injected or heat absorption system. Refrigeration and air conditioning is used to cool products or a building environment. Introduction of this, how does it is work? Thermal energy moves from left to right through five loops of heat transfer. First loop is indoor air loop, second loop is chilled water loop, third is refrigeration loop, fourth is condenser water loop, and finally fifth is cooling water loop. So these are the number of loops, and it is going to be transferring system. So according to these five steps, it is going to be work. Refrigeration system for industrial processes. Small capacity modular units of direct expansion type, that is 50 tons of refrigeration. Then centralized chilled water and plants with chilled water as a secondary coolant, that is 50 to 250 TR. Then bring plants with brines as lower temperature secondary coolant. Types of refrigerations have refrigeration system have basically two type. Vapor compression refrigeration, we can say in short VCR, uses mechanical energy. Then vapor absorption refrigeration is, we can say VAR, that is uses thermal energy. This is the basic concept or basic difference between this VCR and VAR. Types of this particular VCR is highly compressed fluids tend to get colder when allowed to expand. If pressure high enough, then all our system is compressed air hotter than source of cooling and expanded gas cool than desired cold temperature. These are the training session on energy equipment is refrigerations and air conditioning system we have to be already seen. Okay, then we have to be also getting the what is the difference between air conditioning and refrigerations is, in particular air conditioning, thermal energy is taken away from the place to keep the air cool, and in particular refrigeration is the thermal energy is transferred from one place to place of higher temperature. So this is the first basic difference. Second difference is, it is a type of refrigeration, in particular air conditioning, it is a type of refrigeration used to cool a large area, and in particular refrigeration is helps to flow thermal energy against the natural flow of heat. In particular air conditioning related, it deals with maintaining the temperature of a certain volume of air and also maintaining the purity and humidity. In particular refrigerations have, it deals with only the regulating the temperature of air such as cooling and freezing of products. In particular air conditioning have, the compressor and condenser are a separate unit from the evaporated, and in particular refrigerations have, the appliances has a condenser, compressor and evaporated in one unit. In particular air conditioning have, the mechanism is supplied with gas from the tubes, and when in particular refrigerations have, internal chemicals and even air is supplied from the environment. In particular air conditioning have, cold air is pushed away from the unit, and in particular refrigeration have, cold air is kept inside the unit. So these are the all our basic difference between air conditioning and refrigeration systems. These are in, even though there is a difference between the air conditioning and refrigeration, the main concept behind it is to lower the temperature of a particular area compared to the surroundings. These phenomena can be seen in domestic and industrial appliances such as ACs and refrigerators, etc. So this is the all our basic system. What is the air cooled system and air water cooled system? In that particular difference is, an air cooled system is a refrigeration system that is used outdoors and is related to its surrounding ambient temperatures, while the water cooled system is refrigeration system that is used in indoors. These are 10 to 15% more efficient than the air cooled system. Mechanical refrigeration is defined as the process in which heat is removed from a location with the help of man-made heat exchange system. This system could be either cyclic, non-cyclic, thermoelectric or magnetic. and this is the dependent on the applications of the refrigerations. These are all our information regarding air conditioning and all our refrigeration systems. If you have any doubts regarding this particular system, you can ask me in comment box. This refrigeration system for industrial process have the small capacity modular units of direct expansion type and also centralized chill water plants with chill water is as a secondary coolant. Okay, so these are the information regarding refrigeration and air conditioning system. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.